headquarters of the Republican National Committee in Washington and the nearby headquarters of the Democratic National Committee was evacuated after the discovery of a suspicious package on Wednesday, according to 3 people briefed on the discoveries. The device that was found at the RNC was a pipe bomb that was successfully destroyed by a bomb squad, according to an official. The package at the DNC has yet to be identified, according to top Democrat briefed on the matter who is not authorized to speak. The RNC and DNC are headquartered just a few blocks away from the U.S. Capitol, which Mr. President Trump, man, we already know what's going on here at the Capitol. The National Guard for Washington, Virginia, and Maryland, in addition to extra police, have all been deployed. Crazy, dude. Well, what the hell, dude? Hold on, it's not showing up. I'll find it.
The New York Times on this.
This is at the Capitol in Sacramento, California.
Close your eyes. Doing good. There you go. Poor baby get bitches in his eyes. Little baby got the bitches in his eyes. It's okay, but don't cry. Your tears only make it worse. Don't cry. The tears only make it spread further. Oh, there's some face burn. Oh, spicy bacon, huh? You okay? Oh, poor little dog. Ain't no tears, bitch. I can pick up the guy crying. Please call protest!
Why is this going down? Why is this?
Did you see when they came out?
I think I was in there though. I was in there for over an hour.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. That's fucking sick.
Yeah.
They let them out. I think they're letting them out again.
Oh, okay.
These cops are gonna come out! Make the hole, everybody! Make the hole!
I think they're. By the end of the day, everyone better be inside this motherfucking building, man.
Yeah, it was intense in there.
What was it like?
Chaos. I mean, it wasn't terrible, but it was. Cops were working with. Yeah, I don't know, man. It was. I didn't. You get in the chamber. There's no service, so I didn't go in the chamber. But people went upstairs. Cops had their guns drawn upstairs. A couple cops were working with a couple of the oath keepers. It wasn't like just like two sides. It was chaos, man. There was tear gas. They're shooting pepper bullets and shit.
How far did people get?
What?
How far did people get?
I don't know because I never went into the big room. As soon as it happened, it took my stream down. So
Breaking news, 11 minutes ago, the White House Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany tweeted that the president has deployed the National Guard to Capitol Hill to calm the protesters that have breached the building.
Well, not Congress chamber, but like the chamber outside of that, you know.
According to
He has a knife. That bitch has a knife and a taser. Hey, a woman. She got a knife in her hand.
According to Peter Alexander, NBC News White House correspondent, one person's in critical condition after being shot, and at least 5 people have been transported to the hospital from the Capitol.
Crazy bitch! You're a crazy bitch! Someone take the crazy bitch down! Someone... You've got a lot of people here to defend you!
No, it's like I'm rolling. Alright, let me get through here. Seriously. Didn't throw it back and forth. This is getting a little bit into his sport.
Dude, that's the scariest person of the day right there. Wow. Holy shit. Just some little lady with a knife, man. Just freaking out. Yeah. Same.